Hi Lakewood Math 1 students, this is Ms. Van Vickle and this is video 10, Standard Form Applications. And we use standard form. Let's remember standard form is AX plus BY equals C. When we're doing problems that relate two different quantities or two different objects, and I think that you remember the problem we did a couple of weeks ago where we were talking about student tickets and adult tickets, and they cost different amounts. We use standard form to solve that problem, and we're going to use standard form to solve the next several problems that we work together. So the two quantities that we're talking about in this first problem are tacos and enchiladas, and we know that tacos cost tacos cost, we don't know how much tacos cost. That's what we would like to find out. So I'm going to let T stand for tacos, how many tacos, and I'm going to let E stand for enchiladas. And I'm going to write an equation that says 2 tacos plus 3 enchiladas equals $7.80. Because that's what Sam did, right? He ordered 2 tacos and 3 enchiladas. Now, notice this isn't the number of tacos. It is their price, because we're going to multiply the number of tacos times their price. And this isn't the number of enchiladas, but it is their price. And so they've told us that enchiladas are $2 each. So we can go ahead and make the substitution right there. So we have 2 tacos plus $6 worth of enchiladas is equal to $7.80. So I'm going to subtract 6, this is 6, from both sides, and I get that 2 tacos are now equal to $1.80. And if I divide both sides by 2, I find that a taco costs 90 cents. And so I have answered this question, what is the cost of each taco? So let's work one more of these together. Problem number 6 on the next page. If I can get this adjusted right. Says that tickets at a school play cost $4 in advance and $5 at the door. The total ticket sales for an evening production were $440. No tickets were sold in advance. Write and solve a linear equation to find out how many tickets were sold at the door. So I'm going to say A is equal to advance sales, and D is going to be equal to those that were sold at the door. So let's see. $4 in advance for A, or $5 at the door, plus 5D has to add up to the amount of money that they took in, and they said that was $440. So they give us the fact that no tickets were sold in advance, so this ends up being 0. 4 times 0 is 0. So we have 5D equals 440. And so now what we need to do to solve the equation is we need to divide 440 by 5, divide both sides of the equation by 5, and we get that D is equal to $88. Excuse me, not $88, 88 tickets. So there were 88 tickets that were sold at the door. So now what I'd like you to do is I would like you to turn off the video, pause the video, And in just a few seconds, I'm going to show you the answers to 7 and 8. So try and work those problems, pause the video, and check your work. Here is the answer to problem number 7. Karen's piggy bank has all dimes and quarters. The total value of money in her piggy bank is $11.40. If she has 36 quarters, write and solve a linear equation to find the number of dimes she has. So I define my variables right here, and you should always do so. She has D dimes and Q quarters. And then in order to find the value of her dimes, I'm going to multiply the number of dimes she has times the amount that they're worth. They're worth 10 cents. And I'm going to do the same thing with the quarters. I'm going to multiply the number of quarters she has by 25 cents, and that should give me the whole amount of money that she has. So there's my equation in AX plus BY equals C form. And then they told me that she has 36 quarters. So I replaced the Q, or substituted the Q, with 36. And we know that that would be 9. 9 divided by 4 is going to be, or 36 divided by 4 is going to be 9. So now we have the value of the dimes plus 9 equals $11.40. And I can subtract 9 from both sides to get the value of my dimes has to be equal to $2.40. So I know that Karen had 24 dimes in her piggy bank. So pause the video again, and I'd like you to try to do problem number 8 on your own and then check back. Here's our answer to question number 8. The Madison High School Marching Band sold gift wrap to earn money for a band trip. Solid color gift wrap sells for $4 per roll, and printed gift wrap sells for $6 per roll. The band needs to earn $2,340 for an upcoming competition. If the band sells 340 rolls of printed paper, write and solve a linear equation to find the number of solid paper they must sell. So the two different quantities that I'm using here in this equation are S for the solid paper and P for the printed paper. And my equation is the number of rolls of solid paper times 4, because they're $4 per roll, plus the number of printed rolls times 6, because they're $6 per roll, has to add up to 2,340. And then they told me that they had sold 340 rolls of printed paper. So I made the substitution right here where there is a P, and I multiplied 6 times 340, giving me 2,040. So 4S plus 2,040 worth of printed paper equals my total. I subtracted 2,040 from both sides to get 4S equals 300. And then I divided by 4. So the Madison High School Marching Band needs to sell 75 rolls of solid gift wrap in order to earn their goal of $2,340. That's it for video 10.